feel this way forever. I'm Byron the Jackson. Ooh, I am for real. Ever.
Hello guys, today we're going to open PS3 with because I have some loud fan noises, probably the dust is causing it. For this purpose I'm gonna use one flathead screwdriver and one cross screwdriver. That's it what we're gonna need for this purpose. So we have at the back of our PS3 we have 1, 2, 3, 4 screws, which are butterfly screws, but I don't have the screwdriver for it, so I'm just gonna use the flat screwdriver. It's supposed to work just fine, it won't break it if you're gonna be careful with that. We have some caps right here which can be just removed easily. So we have another one here, another one here, and so on. Whoa, that exploded almost right into my face. Didn't expect that really. Another one and another one. So yeah, all of these screws, which are cross screws, only those we need to take out. We don't need to take out the hard drive one, we can just leave it there, it won't cause nothing, because we want to take only this part, which is the fan right there. It's PS3 slim. It's not super slim, it's not fat, it's PS3 Slim Edition. So, yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so I've taken out all of the screws, so what you need to do now, just flip it over, grab it by the back of the upper case, pull it to you, and open. Done, that's it. And then we have all of the components in here. We have the power supply, DVD, Blu-ray drive, and fan, which probably is causing the problem with your fan noise. Probably goes really mad loud, probably because you didn't open it for quite a bit. So what we want to do is take this out, take the fan out, and clean it from the dust. Probably you're gonna have loads of it if you didn't have done it with your PS3, never. So yeah, that probably was causing the problem. You want to take out the power supply as well. So you have connectors which you just need to be unplugged by pulling them. That's it. And another one right there which just need to be pulled out as well. That's it. We have two screws right there, two and here, which are cross screws. They need to be taken out with the small cross screwdriver or flathead, it doesn't matter. The size needs to be correct, that's it. You won't damage anything if you're gonna use that flathead screwdriver. Okay. And now what we want to do is to pull this part. Pull it right there. Pull it this side as well. Give a little wiggle and there we go. your power supply has been taken out. So yeah, power supply has been taken out. We can unconnect our fan right here, small connector, 3-pin connector. And yeah, so you wanna take some small brush, something like that, clean it. Maybe if you have compressed air, just go around here, which is the radiator. Right there you have a radiator, just blow air through it. You wanna take it outside because you probably have lots of dust with it. So yeah, that was it. It wasn't really hard, to be fair with you. Just a couple of screws, that's it. So I'm gonna put it back together because I already cleaned it. So what you're gonna do, you just put it back together all over again. So hold the process, nothing changed. Hold the process, just backwards. That's it. Woo! So yeah guys, so I just put it back together, and it took me really long. So if you have like really loud fan noises, or your PS3 is just loud as hell as a jet engine, take it apart, don't be scared, it's not hard at all as you might think about it. Just take it apart, clean it, put it back together, start up, enjoy. So thank you guys for watching. I'll make way more videos in that kind. I'm taking my PC like in a couple days into parts. Not into parts. I'm just setting it up. So see you guys in the next time. Peace.
This way forever. I'm Sharon the Jackson.